Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file for divorce in Australia. First, you need to meet specific criteria, including being an Australian citizen or resident, or having lived here for at least 1 year. The primary requirement is that your marriage has irretrievably broken down, evidenced by a 12-month separation period. We'll guide you through the initial steps to ensure you're ready to begin the process smoothly and efficiently. To be eligible, you must have been separated from your spouse for a continuous period of at least 12 months and 1 day. If you lived under the same roof during part of this time, you'll need to provide additional evidence. Next, you'll complete the application for divorce form, which is available online. Ensure all details are correct before filing it with the Federal Circuit and Family Court of Australia. After filing, you must formally serve the divorce application on your former spouse. This ensures they are aware of the proceedings. There are strict rules about how documents must be served, often requiring a third party. If you have children under 18, you will generally need to attend a court hearing. The court will then review your application to ensure all legal requirements are met. Once the court is satisfied with your application, a divorce order will be granted. This order becomes final 1 month and 1 day after it's made, officially dissolving your marriage. Remember, this process focuses solely on ending the marriage. Property and parenting matters are separate. For other helpful resources, including great deals on kitchen essentials, check the description below for links. Make sure to explore all the valuable information there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.